this way. Ruby, get close. Nope, come on, stay with me, come on. It's Lily and Ruby there. Ruby, easy.
Hi, are you having fun? I love this. Are they related? Are they about the same age?
No, one's 11, the other one's 7. Come on, girls. Hey! Oh!
Come here, you pretty girl. Come here. I can't believe one of them's 11.
That one right,
Lily, man.
that's Lily. She's 11. Hey, come on, girls.
Wow, come here, Lily.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Come here, Ruby. What? Somebody's Hello. Yeah.
It was so bad last night that they wouldn't do their business, and they love it. We got a house in Minocqua, Wisconsin. They swim like when the water's 35 degrees, and they wouldn't come out in this.
My sister's dog wouldn't go outside either. He flat out refused. She's like, I know he had been dying. He's been bored, did this, and the other one went out.
Well, that was 11.5 years old. Great shape. This one's 7.5. Come on, I'm sorry. Let's go, guys. Come on, girl. Oh, come on. Hey. Oh, lady. Ruby. Okay, come on, we're going home. Ruby. Shit. Come on, Mama. We can do this.